Lithium-ion battery recycling is no longer just a concept. It's already being implemented in real-world factories. Maxim real-world customer project, cathode material recycling in operation. This recycling production line begins with crushing and material pretreatment to ensure safe and stable subsequent separation. Through multi-stage separation technology, valuable materials are efficiently recovered from mixed battery waste. The final products include high-purity black materials and copper powder. The system is designed for continuous operation, featuring stable performance, low dust emissions, and high recycling efficiency. Maxim provides complete lithium-ion battery recycling solutions to customers worldwide. Build your battery recycling plant with us.